The Watchlist by the Market Herald releases new interviews with Grid Battery Metals and ASHL Gold discussing their latest news. Vancouver, BC, ACCESSWIRE, September 14, 2023. The Watchlist by the Market Herald has announced the release of new interviews with Grid Battery Metals and ASHL Gold discussing their latest news. The Watchlist by the Market Herald provides investors with a quick snapshot of what they need to know about the company's latest press release through exclusive insights and interviews with company executives. Grid Battery Metals provides a CEO update. Grid Battery Metals Inc. TSXV, SEL, OTC, EVKRF, FRA, NMK2, has provided an update from the CEO to its shareholders. For the full interview with President and CEO Tim Fernbach and to learn more about Grid Battery Metals news, click here. ASHL announces drilling is underway on the Tabor property. ASHL GoldCorp, CSE, ASHL, has announced the commencement of drilling on the Tabor Lake property. For the full interview with President Darcy Christian and to learn more about ASHL's news, click here. Interviews for the Watchlist by the Market Herald are released daily. To learn more about the companies featured in the Watchlist or to explore our other interviews, visit the Watchlist by the Market Herald. About the Market Herald. The Market Herald Canada is the leading source of authoritative breaking stock market news for self-directed investors. Our team of Canadian markets reporters, editors and technologists covers the entire listed company universe in Canada. We cover over 3,985 businesses, their people, their investors, and their customers. We write the stories that move the Canadian capital markets. Disclaimer. Report Card Canada Media Limited. Report Card is a wholly owned subsidiary of Market Herald Limited, an Australian company, Market Herald. Report Card is not an advisory service, and does not offer, buy, sell, or provide any other rating, analysis or opinion on the securities we discuss. We are retained and compensated by the companies that we provide information on to assist them with making information available to the public. All information available on the marketherald.ca and or this press release should be considered as commercial advertisement and not an endorsement, offer or recommendation to buy or sell securities. Report Card is not registered with any financial or securities regulatory authority in any province or territory of Canada, will not be performing any registrable activity as defined by the applicable regulatory bodies, and do not provide nor claim to provide investment advice or recommendations to any visitor of this site or readers of any content on or originating from the marketherald.ca. Market Herald and or its affiliates and or their respective officers, directors or employees may from time to time acquire, hold or sell securities and or commodities and or commodity futures contracts in certain underlying companies mentioned in this site and which may also be clients of Market Herald's affiliates. In such instances, Market Herald and or its affiliates and or their respective officers, directors or employees will use all reasonable efforts to avoid engaging in activities that would lead to conflicts of interest, and Market Herald and or its affiliates will use all reasonable efforts to comply with conflicts of interest disclosures and regulations to minimize any conflict. All the information on this document and or the website, themarketherald.ca, is published in good faith and for general information purpose only. Report Card does not make any warranties about the completeness, reliability, and accuracy of this information. Any action you take upon the information you find on this document and or website, themarketherald.ca, is strictly at your own risk. Report Card will not be liable for any losses and or damages in connection with the use of our website. From our website, you can visit other websites by following hyperlinks to such external sites. While we strive to provide only quality links to useful and ethical websites, we have no control over the content and nature of these sites. These links to other websites do not imply a recommendation for all the content found on these sites. Site owners and content may change without notice and may occur before we have the opportunity to remove a link which may have gone bad. Please be also aware that when you leave our website, other sites may have different privacy policies and terms which are beyond our control. Please be sure to check the privacy policies of these sites as well as their terms of service before engaging in any business or uploading any information. Contact the Market Herald Marketing at themarketherald.ca. themarketherald.ca source. The Market Herald View source version on ACCESSWIRE.com. https://www.accesswire.com/78422/the-watchlist-by-the-new-interviews with grid-battery-metals-and-ASHL-gold discussing their latest news.